Welcome to Rustbuster Framework's installation guide for Toyota's 2000 to 2006 Tundra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the vehicle's bed. Step 3. Remove the two bolts retaining the brake load sensing proportioning valve with a 12mm socket and place it aside. Step 4. Begin removing the crossmember by punching out the 3 rivets on each arm that retain the crossmember to the frame. Note that the shock mount will have to be removed as it is welded to the crossmember. If you wish to keep your factory one, you will have to cut it off the crossmember and reinstall it later. Step 5. Begin assembling your crossmember by loosely securing one side . And then the other with the included M10 and 35mm hardware. Followed by securing the support plate. The inner 4 holes will use the M8 hardware, and the outer 4 will take the M10 20mm hardware. Finally, tighten all the bolts with a 12mm and 14mm sockets. Step 6. Weld the center line of the crossmember and the support plate to the crossmember. Finally, coat the part with a primer to help prevent against rust development. And you're done.